according to this, as of now, just 2 chapters only we covered, right? As of now.
Right. Yeah.
How do you feel about past experience of your knowledge and the present, just 2 step of learning? How do you feel with the practice? You did almost 4 to 5 days practice, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you feel?
No, actually now after seeing this, now, previously what used to happen was, I used to find opportunity everywhere actually, to be frank.
Okay.
I never used to find I used to, every candle, I used to feel, okay, there is an opportunity everywhere actually. But
yes, of course, opportunities are everywhere. But you will not find proper level of entry, right?
Yeah. The proper entry I'm finding here actually, where the entry should be actually.
Okay.
Previously, entries would have been every time I used to see some candles, I used to feel, okay, there is an entry here. But most of the time it hits the stop loss actually.
Okay.
It used to hit the stop loss, because that would have been a wrong entry probably.
Right.
So here I feel, if the entries are correct, you can, automatically the exit will be correct actually. If the entry itself is wrong.
Obviously, exit is the second one. But the entry, if you are finding the proper level,
then it is more better actually.
There is no chance to hit the stop loss.
Yeah.
And you are taking the entries at bottom or top level with this strategy. Am I right?
Yeah. So here the confidence is more actually that, I'm at least trying to hit the bottom actually. That is which is important. So at least, even if I take 1:2, I am happy that, I'm ending in green. Even if it is 1:2.
Yes. Now you will get minimum 1:2 with this strategy, right?
Yeah, at least, end of the day, as a trader, I want to end in green, not in red. And the green might be 100 rupees or 1000 rupees also. But I want to end up in green. So obviously, see, it's not that, out of 10 trades, all 10 trades will be green, but at least if 8 trades are green and 2 trades are red, that's okay with me.
Super.
So,
with this concept, possible or not? 1:2 minimum.
Yeah, this is very much possible actually. Here I feel more than 1:2 we can go, but if I keep my greed at 1:2, it looks very much possible actually. Like here, if you see, there are 3 entry areas. So I just want to have here 1:2, here 1:2, here 1:2. So for me, it is like I made my money actually 3 times.
Nice. And also, what do you think about it is a bottom or topper level entries or non-proper level entries? What do you think?
No, this is more a proper entry, I feel actually.
Okay.
Because here if I see the chart now, I feel the confidence more actually that I'm entering at a proper place actually,
The possibility to fix the stop loss very minimum, right?
Yeah. At least here if we hit the stop loss, it will not be a big loss actually. If you see, it will be very minimum.
Yes, that only we need as a trader.
Yeah. So as a trader, we want to keep stop losses less and more onto the profit side actually.
Yes. Till now we have not moved on to the trailing stop loss and additional confirmation chapters. Just with the first 2 step of chapters itself, you got around 75% of accuracy. Am I right?
Yeah, almost actually. If I see this chart from now, what I'm seeing, it feels like, more confidence that I'm entering.
Super, sir.
At the right level without any kind of indicator. So that confidence has come that I can see the chart without indicator, or else for me it was difficult to see a chart without moving.
By using the indicators, definitely you will get confused only. That's why my course is always designed without indicators, because confidence will gain only with the naked candles. The price.
Yeah.
Okay, and even if you are using the indicator or oscillator, means definitely you can't able to find the bottom level entries.
No, it is. Till date, I never found any time a bottom level entry.
So
Today
our
I see that I
strategy
can
will
invest.
give you bottom level entries with minimal stop loss and maximum target.
Yeah.
See, as of now, you are not with you don't know about the trailing stop loss method. If you, once you completed this all task of practice, you will go for the trailing stop loss method. Once you learn that, definitely you will wonder like next level, like what to say, around 100% you will get the confidence because the trailing stop loss method to protect the profits at higher levels, it move on to the next levels.
Okay.
Okay.
So
The initial stage, that's why I told you to go with the 1:2 risk reward ratio. Actually, based on the concept, with this basic level of concept, you will gain minimum 1:3 or 5 times. Okay.
okay.
Presently, you are in a learning period. That's why I told you to go with 1:2. Okay, sir?
Yeah.
Fine, sir. Very good, sir. I am actually impressed about your examples because just in 5 days you gain this much of knowledge only because of practice. What I told, the same criteria you followed. That is the most important thing. Many people doesn't do like this, but you are doing means I am very happy.
I have gone back to my, I feel that I should stand at a zero level actually.
Okay.
From your point of view.
That's why I told you before joining the class itself, whatever you have the knowledge, keep everything away from this course.
See, as a human, we don't have a on-off button actually in our brain. Okay. So if we would have been a robot, we could have had an on-off button or delete button in the past actually. That is not there. But obviously, I have to control my brain to such a level that I become neutral and think as a, beginner itself that I don't know anything about stock market. So from that point of view, I try to learn. Then only I can learn.
Super, sir. Super. But actually, I impressed very much because of your practice, nothing else. The same thing what I expected, what I told you to do the work, the same thing you did it. That's why you got this much of accuracy just in 5 or 6 days. Okay. So as I told, within a month you will gain a super knowledge, self-confidence with the strategy without depending anyone, including me, to take live trades. That is possible. Just in 5 days you prove it.
Thank you, sir. I think your appreciation is more actually, that gives more confidence to me.
I'm happy. So that's it. Okay. So next, what you are going to do? Tell me.
I'll draw more charts because I had this confusion that I should not be wrong in drawing this Fibonacci. Now, if you are saying Fibonacci is correct, then I'll draw with this understanding some 20 charts.
Okay.
So that
I want more practice with market structure. That is very most important because the trend exactly you can understand only with the market structure.
Right.
Okay. So Fibonacci is just a tool for additional confirmation. Okay. But the trend you need to understand very clearly because you are trying to follow the market movers. That can be possible when you are understanding the market structure clearly. Okay. So do more practice. That is very important. And today is Thursday. So tomorrow we will connect again. Okay, with more examples I can expect from you. Okay, how much I can expect from you?
I'll do at least minimum 20 charts. I'll have to sit now itself.
Super. See, once you understood, the interest will be very more.
Obviously. Now only I'll have to sit and draw more charts actually.
And what do you think? This will work in specific market or all markets?
No, I think actually, for me, I think I feel that all these things work in every market, whether it is Indian market or international market, be it forex, crypto.
Why you feel like that?
No, because everywhere human emotions are involved actually.
Exactly. We are
Emotions.
validating only human emotion with the candlestick chart. That's it.
Yeah. So all this, and who are playing? Only humans are playing this game actually.
Exactly.
So we are playing with human emotions in this charts, nothing else. So I think when this game is played by humans, so worldwide, it is the same human emotions involved worldwide actually.
Yeah.
So this, I think this will apply to any market across the world.
Nice.
I will probably do some more 20 charts today and tomorrow.
Sure, sir. I'm waiting for some more better quality chart from you by tomorrow.
Sure.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
I will disconnect now, and you have to do work. All the best. We'll see you and connect you again tomorrow evening. Thank you. Bye.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.